Hello, and welcome back to Drawing with Boba. Today we're going to be drawing Brina, the pink Bigfoot Squishmallow. We're going to start off with the face. It's just going to be this rectangular face, so we're just going to start on either side with these two lines to start the rectangle, and then we're going to curve on the bottom and on the top. Once you have the face in, we're going to add the mouth line, which is going to be a little towards the middle. We're going to go all the way across. With that done, let's draw in the two eyes. We're going to do one eye right here. Add a little bit of highlight. And then color it in. Let's add the two lashes. And we're going to repeat this on the other side. Right around here. Second eye. Color it in. And then she needs the two lashes. Once you have the two eyes done, let's just draw it in two circles for the little blush. Super cute. And let's draw the rest of the face. We're just gonna do these fur patterns a little bit further out. And then we're gonna go in and draw the ears. Right around here, we're gonna draw in the first ear. And go back up, getting a little bit of fur, and go to that part. And then we're going to repeat on this side. We're going to go down, go up, a little bit of fur, and then connect it. With the ears done, let's draw on the top of the head, maybe all the way to this point. We're going to go up, and then back down. And then with the ears done, we can just connect it on either side. Or the face. With the face done, let's just draw in the rest of the body. We're going to start from the inside right here. We're going to go down to this point on either side. And the reason why we stopped here is that we need the Bigfoot part of Brina. So we're going to go and draw in 1 foot and then 2 foot. And then she has these cool little toe details, so we're just going to add in 3 toes. And then her foot sole almost looks like a heart. And we repeat this on the other side, so we're going to do 3 toes. And a little heart. And we're good to go to move forward, so we just need the bottom of the body. And then Brina just needs the little stomach details, so we're going to go this all the way up here, and then we're going to connect it back down, and there you go, a picture of Brina, the Bigfoot Squishmallow. Let's add some color real quick, and there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have suggestions for any other drawings, please leave it in the comments down below, and I'll see you in the next one.